Hello everyone, this is Janvi Yadav from Umangitai College of Women's Education, Nagpur.
I am Chaitali Kumbhare from Umangitai College of Women's Education, Nagpur.
We are participant in the video competition of Digital Mindset 21.
Our topic is Digital Marketing Strategy for Cosmetic Product.
Before moving towards the digital marketing strategies for cosmetic products, first of all, let's know about the role of digital marketing in beauty sector. As we all know, the digital world has taken the beauty industry to a higher, more connected level. Nowadays, digital technologies enable customers to experience brands in entirely new ways. For an example, if we visit any local market for purchasing any beauty product, then we will not be having any expertise source to know the proper use of the product. On the other hand, if we choose to buy the product from the online shopping sites, then we will be having the videos from expertise to know the proper use of the products. Thus, digital marketing describes a series of actions that use online marketing channels to achieve various goals. It does not come from a scientific side concerning product innovations, but also from a digital marketing perspective where the organizations have implemented successful strategies to attract and retain customers. Nowadays, people are more concerned about their skincare and cosmetics which they use. That's the reason why it is very important to promote a product which is really capable to lead. We can say many high brands which are leading not due to their high qualities but due to their wonderful marketing strategies to attract and retain people. But it is very necessary to influence or promote a product which is of good quality also and deserves to lead over the whole beauty sector. Such products should be promoted and should develop the good marketing strategies by taking the idea of some marketing tactics.
Cosmetic branding is the key to help to make our beauty brand stand out from the crowd if we do it right. There are several brands need to develop their marketing strategy. One of them is Dr. Sheth's, whose marketing strategy we will be discussing. Why Dr. Sheth's? Dr. Sheth's products are what our skin needs all year around. Products from Dr. Sheth's are naturally inspired, medically created, and scientifically validated. With respect for the environment and in line with this principle, all the products are vegan, cruelty-free, toxin-free, and wherever possible sustainably derived. Dr. Sheth's best skincare product range online in India. Shop trusted skincare and beauty products. These products are dermatologist formulated, cruelty-free, non-toxic, made for Indian skin, and all products are vegan. Dr. Sheth's is a luxury vegan skincare brand formulated by 3 generations of expertise in Indian skin research. Indian skin is different and requires special care. Most products available today are formulated by scientists in developed places like the US, Korea, or Europe. These countries don't face the harsh abuse from pollution, heat, and the UV that our skins face every day. To repair this damage, our skins require much higher doses of vitamins and proteins. Dr. Sheth's, only brand in market creating skincare products designed for skin of color that are naturally inspired, scientifically validated, and medically created. When we go through site of Dr. Sheth's, we can see several products related to skincare such as skin brightening, anti-acne, anti-aging, acne attackers, etc.
So now let's move on towards the marketing strategies which we can implement to promote our brand Dr. Sheth. First is Google My Business. Google My Business is a free and easy to use tool for businesses and organizations to manage their online presence across Google to help customers find the business, to verify the business and edit the business information. Then next is email marketing. It is the highly effective digital marketing strategy of sending emails to prospects and customers. Effective marketing emails convert prospects into customers and turn one-time buyers into loyal, raving fans. Then is Google Ads. It is an online advertising platform developed by Google where advertisers bid to display brief advertisements, service offerings, product listings, and videos. Content marketing. It is a marketing approach focused on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience and ultimately to derive profitable customer action. Customers as a promoters. Customers can be the best source to promote the products. Dr. Sheth is the brand which is used by many customers from years. Such customers can be helpful to promote the brand. Isn't it the great strategy? First of all, we need to identify the regular customers of the brand. Tell them to share their reviews and give their feedback of products by making videos. Give them the opportunity to become the brand partners so that they can sell the product and can also earn the money. The partners need to sell the products to customers in the original price, while they will get the product in the discount price. The brand partners can share the images of the product on the WhatsApp status, can post on Facebook, and can share the products on the big Facebook groups which contain large number of participants to increase the selling of the product. In such way, the customers can be converted into the earning brand partners. Thus, this initiative can promote the product to the large audiences. Social media as a source. Using social media for marketing enables the business to project the brand image across a variety of different platforms. Once you build a loyal following on social media, you will be able to post all your new content and make sure your readers can find new stuff right away. First is Instagram. Instagram is without a doubt one of the strongest promotion tools on the internet. As a promoter, you need to showcase your events and sell in the immediate market space. So, here is an example of Instagram promotion of a brand Meta Skincare. Like this, we need to make an Instagram account and must switch it to a professional account. Mention the details of the brand in the bio and the address of the website from where it can be purchased. In every post of the product, you need to mention the benefits, details, and the link of the site where it can be available. This strategy can be very useful to promote our brand Dr. Sheth. Next is a Facebook. To promote the products on Facebook, following are some strategies. First, share the video tutorial or upload directly to the account. We can take advantage of the new live video feature on Facebook where we can talk about new arrivals of the products. Next is, we can also run a Facebook contest where we can ask participants to post photos with the products in a similar Facebook contest or giveaway.
Here we are using Nykaa, so we will search for Dr. Sheth's products. Here we can see we get many options like Dr. Sheth serums, Dr. Sheth masks and peels, Dr. Sheth face masks. If we want to know about the product like Dr. Sheth serums, so here we get many choices. When we go through any one of the product, here we can see description, ingredients, how to use the product, ratings and reviews. Whether it is a pop singer promoting a soft drinks or a celebrity influencer showcasing products on social media, celebrity advertising is hard to ignore. Featuring celebrities in advertising can grab attention immediately and enhance a brand, and for that reason it has always been a high impact marketing tool. So one of the marketing strategies that Dr. Sheth should be used, that is advertising through celebrities.
Thank you for watching and patient listening. Thank you.